All right. Now, this is a very unique product. I've never seen anything like this. How does the Swig work?
Yes, so the Swig is water resistant. So this on the outside, it looks like a normal wig. You put it on, but the secret is really on the inside. So this is the inside, and I am going to flip it inside out completely. So you see we have a Swig logo, handmade in the USA, right? And this is really what's unique about the Swig. This layer right here is actually moisture wicking. So it wicks away the little sweat that you have on your scalp when you're doing activities, swimming, playing at the park. And on the inside, like on the inside here, you have a water resistant layer. So this water resistant layer is very important. This is what's going to keep your hair dry. It's also going to keep your hair free of toxin, chemicals, sand. When you go to the beach, you play with the kids, they put all the sand and junk in your hair. This is going to keep it out of your hair so that at the end of the day, when you take this off, you're going to look like this. No glue, none of that stuff. You just put it on like you're putting on a swimming cap. So it's very easy. And when you take it off, your hair is dry. Your hair doesn't smell like chlorine. There's no sand to pick out of your hair. You know, all of that stuff. And then you're ready to go.
Sounds great. Sounds absolutely great.